Hey everyone, in this video, I'll share quick tips to optimize your Shopify store for mobile so you can give customers the best shopping experience on their phones. First, choose a Shopify theme that's fully responsive so it automatically adapts to any screen size. Test your site on different devices to make sure buttons, menus, and images are easy to tap and read without zooming in. Next, simplify your design by keeping your homepage clean and your navigation easy to use. Too many pop ups or long text blocks can frustrate mobile shoppers and slow down your site. Make sure your images are compressed so they load quickly on mobile data. You can use free tools like Tiny PNG to reduce file sizes without losing quality. A fast loading site helps you keep customers from bouncing. Also, enabled accelerated checkout options like Shop Pay or Apple Pay to make buying faster on mobile. A smooth, quick checkout is essential since most mobile shoppers abandon carts if checkout takes too long. Finally, regularly check your store speed with Shopify's built in speed report or tools like Google Page Speed Insights to spot areas you can improve for a better mobile experience. Thanks for watching. If you found these tips helpful, make sure to like, comment, and subscribe for more quick Shopify tutorials to help your store succeed.